Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to use search filters on Netflix app. To do this, it's simple. You have just to go to Netflix. And as you can see on the top of the screen, there is multiple filters that you can choose to choose from them, like to find the content that you want to watch. For example, if you want to watch a TV show, like click on shows, and after that here you will find all the categories of the TV shows. For example, I want US TV show, so I choose the filters and it will give me like the American TV shows. I want Asian TV show, I will choose Asian filter and it will give me Asian TV shows. If I want movies too, you have a lot of filters to choose from. For example, if you want some award-winning movies, you can find them here. And also, if you want to search by category directly, you can use this filter. For example, if I want Arabic movies and TV shows, it will give me, as you can see. And like that, you can use search filters on the Netflix app. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next